How to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. First step here is you will need to open up your Messages app. So locate your Message app, then open that up. So right here, you should be on your messages. You should see your recent messages. After that, what you'll need to do is make sure that you are on the latest version of your iOS. Tap on the edit option on the top left. Then there you'll see an option that says show recently deleted uh, folder. So simply tap on that and there you should see all of your recently deleted. Now, if you want to retrieve those, all you have to do is select your messages and tap on recover on the bottom right corner. Tap on recover three messages, and then tap on done. Then you will see your recovered chat right here, back where it used to be. And yeah, that's how you retrieve your deleted messages on iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe.